Hi guys, today I want to quickly show you how to create a GitHub account or a GitHub account. So let's get right into it. So you go to the website github.com. I'm going to put it in the description below. So let's get right into it. So when you go to the website, the first screen, this is the home screen, and top right corner here, you see the sign up. On the sign up, you see it gives you this space filling, and it says enter your email. So you put in your email address. So let me just put so after typing in your email address, you click continue, and it tells you to create a password. Please put in a password that you remember. So that is my password. I just click continue. I've imputed my email address and my password. I click continue, and it's asking me for username. I will just put in len with ud. So I click continue, and no, I don't want to receive updates or announcements and all that. So I go continue, and so next you want to verify if you are a real person and you are not a robot. You click on verify, and it's saying that use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So that's the direction of the hand. It's pointing down. Let's transmit and see. One done. So that's it. And so that's it. Create account. You click on create account. Once you click on create account, it's going to send a code to your email address, which I've just received. And let me just quickly impute. So I've imputed the code, and I don't want the system to remember my password. And it's saying this will help us guide what to just me, not applicable, and continue. So it depends on what you actually want. You can actually put if you're a student or that. If you want to personalize it, you can click any of this, but I don't want to. So I skip the personalization, and that is it. We've created a new GitHub account or a new GitHub account. When you come to the top right here, you'll see the menu that are in there for you. You can decide to go to your profile, and this is your profile. You can decide to go to your profile, add a profile picture, put a little description. You can start doing your repository and all that. So that is how you create your GitHub account. So first of all, you need your email address. If you don't have one, you can create your email either with Yahoo, any of the domain. Get your email address, you input your password, you verify if you're a robot or not, and that is it. You personalize it the way you want it, and you click on create. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye. Bye.